আসলে পলিটিক্যাল স্টাবিলিটি ইজ মাস্ট। আমি আহ, যদিও আরেকটা দলের সমর্থক, কিন্তু আমি অত বেশি ইয়ে না, কিন্তু আমি ভালো মানুষদের প্রাধান্য দিই। যেমন এই 10 নম্বর ওয়ার্ডে আমার কোনো শত্রু নেই। এই এক শত্রু ছিল প্রাক্তন কমিশনার, যে আমাকে মেরে ফেলারও চক্রান্ত করেছিল, কারণ আমি হাকিম ভাইয়ের সাথে সরাসরি কাজ করেছি। তো এই জন্য আমি বলবো যে জামাত ইসলাম যদিও বলে যে ইসলামিক, তাদের একটু স্ট্র্যাটেজি চেঞ্জ করতে হবে। সব জায়গায় সকল স্ট্র্যাটেজি ঠিক না। হ্যাঁ, আপনারা যখন মুসলিমস আছেন তাদের এটা যাবে, নন মুসলিমের ভোট, যেমন আমিও তো ভোট দিয়েছি হাকিম ভাই, ঠিক আছে, বা আমি কাজ করেছি হাকিম ভাইয়ের পক্ষে, তাহলে আমার ভোট কোথায়? ঠিক আছে, তাহলে আমাকে কনভিন্স করার জন্য আমাদের স্ট্র্যাটেজি নিতে হবে। আপনি যখন মুসলিম ভোটারদেরকে করবেন, সেখানে কোরআন হাদিস ওগুলো বলবেন। আমাদের মতো নন মুসলিম যারা আমরা সুইচ করি, যারা আমরা ভালো মানুষদেরকে প্যাট্রোনাইজ করি, সে কি জামাত, সে কি বিএনপি, সে কি আওয়ামী লীগ, সে কি জাতীয় পার্টি, সে কি কমিউনিস্ট, ডাজন্ট ম্যাটার টু মি। There are some people who always patronize the good people, who is dedicated to the society, the development of the society. So we are the converted, though we are the supported, but we always, you need vote. So I will vote a good man, and he's the good man, and we have to change some strategy. Some rural, you can get some good votes from the rural levels. So, and they have the religious mind, but you have to take a different strategy for the non-Muslim voters. Okay? And the strategy which is for the Muslims is not applicable for the non-Muslims. You need vote, you need political marketing, you need students of marketing. So, for conclusion is that you have to take different types of studies for different types of papers. Even my direct students and friends are. Ashfaq is why.
Ashfaq bhai.
And he is also my direct students. In marketing, we see the segmentation strategy. In marketing, there is segmentation, positioning, and differentiation. So, differentiation must. Unique selling propositions is named. Okay. Segmentations is for taking different strategies for different segments. And our main motto as citizen, we need good people who will run the country and society. Still now corruption is continuing. After 5th August, I have taken electric meters by giving bribe 5,000 taka. And I was dedicated, I will not pay single penny extra. Government will get only 2 or 3,000 taka, which have to pay in bank. But I have to pay 11,000 taka to electricity department. And elected persons already told me that, sir, you will be work every day, but you will not get any decisions. Becoming board, I have to pay the bribe, which is totally forbidden by the Muslims. I have, as a non-Muslims, I give bribe to the Muslims. So we have to follow the pure Muslims, not in processions, not in protest. A few days ago, I was attended a symposium in SAST, which is conducted by American professors, and who was the Shibir persons, Kumilla Victoria College, and who was elected AGS in Kumilla Victoria Intermediate, which is this information was collected from the SAST PC in his inaugural speech. He introduced that this person, Dr. Kabir Hassan, who is the professor of American University, was elected as the AGS, and we vote him. There's lots of teachers who are the Islamic minded, and he conducted a session about Islamic finance. Clearly, he questioned every person. You are Muslims in 5 times pairs, not in activities. The Westerns, those who are scolded by you, they adopted the good things of Islam. Warren Buffett, who was the #1 richest person in the world, devoted whole money for the development of the society. But you people don't do this. So we have to adopt the good things of Islam, not by only the 5 times prayers. And I also think that if a person who adopted the rules of Islam, no jail is needed. No jail is needed. Why we build a new jail in Badaghat? Because lots of crime. Just go for the rules of Islam. I was the students of Islamic studies in Chittagong University because I was the shootout, first time shootout in the business administration. I have to study 1 year in Islamic studies in Chittagong University. Okay. Next time I have completed BBM in Chittagong University. Now, the conclusion is that we need a free, fair, corrupt, free country. You can do what now? When you come this way, the road is dark, totally dark. And I request when you go for a possessions in any area, just you order the local secretary and Sabapati who shows the problem. Is street light was okay? Is roads are clean? If you ensure that the street light is okay, the road is clean, then I will go for the procession. Otherwise, I will not. And in your area, no person can be corrupted or fascist. So we want free, fair elections and corrupt-free and fascist-free country. Thank you all. Thanks a lot.